This is iGen Productions here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple wind riser effect. First you want to select your pattern. I have a pattern named wind here, obviously. Now you can take any note, it'll all sound the same. It should all sound like this, no matter what note you have it on. I use C5 to be specific, just because it's the root note. Now what you want to do is you want to have that routed to a separate mixer track. In this case I have it routed to 1. Now first, of course, put your wind in there. Just white noise for now, but now we're going to select our effects, and you'll see how different this sounds. First, go to your flanger. I know, funny word, huh? Now, listen to how it sounds. It should sound very similar to a phaser, but definitely not the same. You want to bring your rate down, definitely down. Make sure it's at, I am not reading that long number, but we'll just say about here. Okay, now what you want to do is go to the mix level dial. Right click, create automation clip. Oh my, I have a bunch of automation clips here. Forgot to delete those. Okay, well, since we're starting from scratch, I want to show you the process. Okay, so now that you have this, open up your flanger again, right click the depth dial, create an automation clip for that. Now, see this? Make sure that it's set to about 50% when you start. I already have, okay, we'll copy that value, paste that value just to be double sure, and create a point there. And also create a point there. Now this is what it should sound like with what you've automated. Okay, it should sound like that. Now, of course, it still sounds not a whole lot like wind, right? Well, before we do anything else, load a basic reverb onto it. Boost your reverb up to, I don't know, we'll say 40%, and have a 2-second decay. Leave the rest of the dials alone. I really have no idea what most of them do, except for a few. But anyway, now, see, you have reverb. Yay, reverb! But we're not done yet. Go to your plugin list and filter, your Fruity filter, and also select free filter. Turn your frequency up on your free filter, make sure the type is set to low pass. Leave your gain there, and just leave the resonance Q dial alone. Now, with your filter, you turn down high pass and low pass, and turn up band pass. Make sure X2 is off. Just again, leave resonance alone. Create automation clip for your cutoff. Now this one's actually going to go down, unlike most of our previous effects, which have, like you can see, they go down and then up. This one goes, well, I mean, yeah, this one goes up and then down. Do the same for your frequency. Create your automation clip for it, and pretty much that's it. If you want, you could add a little tension between the rise up here, which is probably it's recommended. Add a little, about 15-16%. Okay, and now listen. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I made some tweaks there while it was playing. That's because the bandpass has a grindy sound to it. Okay. Okay, that's because the cutoff is too high. Turn it down a little. Just a little. You know. Perfect. Perfect. Now again, the flanger cannot really be heard. So, let's bring this up. Again, what I did before was just a startup. I'm just tweaking now. You know, to set it just right. Let's listen to it again. Perfect. That is, well, actually this pretty much concludes it for our voice, not voice, sorry, for our Windriser tutorial. Just gonna auto name these real quick. So yeah, pretty much that's just how it's done. You know, seems like a lot of effects, but you know, you get what you put in. You get out what you put in. You put forth the effort and the time, and sure enough, you got one of the most key effects for dance music. Okay, I guess that's it. This has been Zygen Productions. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Check out my music, and peace.